Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you where you can access all typing features on this iPhone. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on General. Then click on Keyboard section over here. And as you can see, all typing features are located here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!